Can you guess what number is next in this sequel? You have 10 seconds. Well, your time is up, and if your answer was 13, then congratulations, you're very smart. But do you know who invented this sequence? The sequence is called Fibonacci sequence, and his inventor, Leonardo Fibonacci, was an Italian mathematician born in the 12th century who is the best known for introducing the Hindu-Arabic numeral system to the Western, through his book Libera Baci. Fibonacci can also be very easily implemented in many programming languages. Let's see how we implement Fibonacci in JavaScript with two versions, one that uses recursion and one that doesn't. So we are gonna start with the Fibonacci without recursion. For this we will create a simple function, it's going to be called fib of n, where n represents which number of the sequence we want to return. After that we should create the actual sequence that is going to be stored in our variable f, and let's declare the first and the second element because there always be the same 0 and 1 in the Fibonacci sequence. And after we loop through the elements starting from the third position, because as I said the first two we always have 0 and 1, we will declare that the next element in our sequence is going to be the sum of the last and one but last element in the sequence. And after that we will simply return our element in sequence. And if we print fib, for example 7, what do you think we will receive? Well, if we run it, we'll receive actually the number 13 that we were looking for in the beginning of the video. Okay, let's move on to the next function that is going to be the Fibonacci with recursion. Our parameters are going to be the same, but this time I want to check if the number is lower or equal with 1, and if it is so, we must simply return the number and no recursion should appear. But if it's not, we must return our recursion call that is going to be our function with the number -1 plus our function with the number -2. And if we print the Fibonacci sequence, the seventh element of the Fibonacci sequence, and run it, we should see that we have the same number.